Hello everyone, welcome for today's pipe cleaner art. So today I'm going to make pipe cleaner Christmas theme or reindeer. So follow the step, okay? Just follow these steps. Shape hairpin it is. Reindeer shape hairpin. So take one more white pipe cleaner, roll it, and follow the step, okay? Then insert it inside. Just follow each and every step. Okay. So just see this how I'm doing. Okay, I hope you'll know how to make this now, this part. Then twist this. Then take these beads and then stick it using a glue gun. Just adjust this everything, every parts. Now take a brown color pipe cleaner, fold it, then cut it. Okay, then cut this part. Now you will see what I'm making exactly over here. Then take the green color pipe cleaner, make it half and then cut it. Just follow the steps, okay? You just have to cut this. Then again just twist this and see, now y'all can see the follow the step. Then twist it again, do the same way and then twist it. Okay, just see how I made this, how I'm making this right now. So same way you do this one. Just follow the steps only, how to do this and all. Yeah, so are you done with this then? Okay, now keep your glue gun ready, okay, to stick this. Okay, let us, then you will have to stick it. You'll have to keep everything ready first only. Yeah, stick and adjust it. Yeah, now again apply the glue. So yeah. Okay, for other one also do the same thing. Apply the glue gun over here also. So almost I am about to end up this. So I'll just see to this, okay? And I hope you will really like this. So if you all have not subscribed my channel, please do like subscribe my channel and you can even share it with your close ones or friends, okay? And press the bell icon for more updates. You will get notification of more videos, such interesting videos. Okay, this is a hairpin pipe cleaner reindeer is ready over here. Bye bye, guys. See you in the next video.